This is an interactive video, so click on the buttons at any time for more information. Exams. You either love them or you hate them, but whatever your view, you must be prepared. Hi, I'm Halima Begum and I'm the Education and Campaigns Officer at the Students' Union. This year I've been working closely with UCL to try and improve the exams. Lots of UCL exams are held off campus. The Students' Union and UCL have been working very closely together to find the right venues for your exams, and we think this place, ExCel London, is the one. ExCel London is a super modern conference centre at the heart of London's Docklands. ExCel London is really easy to get to. It's in Zone 3 and you can get to it on the DLR. The DLR connects to the London Underground, so use the TfL website to plan your journey. Aim to get here at least 30 minutes before your exams so that you have plenty of time to find your way around. Not only is it a great venue, but ExCel London has a vast amount of expertise managing exams for many institutions, so we're in safe hands. The exam venues might be big, but don't worry. The rooms are bright, calm and air-conditioned, and the facilities here are fabulous. There are plenty of places to eat and lots of seating areas. There are first aid facilities on site and a prayer room. UCL will also have a pop-up help desk to help you with any questions or queries you may have. You need to know well in advance where your exam is taking place, what to take with you, how to get there and how much time you need. So get exam ready. Visit the UCL Exams website to find out more. This is an interactive video, so click on the buttons at any time for more information.